I'm Eric with Tennessee Outdoor Guides, and this is Cane Hollow Recreation Area. And we are actually headed out to Burgess Falls to view it from the water on one of the best kayaking trips that you'll ever do. About 2 miles there and 2 miles back, and we'll probably hang out at the falls for an hour or two and check it out, eat lunch, and swim by the falls. So it's gonna be a beautiful day for it.
Sweet, let's go do it.
Let's do it, game on.
Hot out today. Actually, I think it's just the life jacket that's making it hot. I want to take this thing off. Should we race? It's on. We got to the back of the pack. Now let's get to the front. See if me or Mike is faster paddling. I think it's gonna be me. All right, ready? Hold on, wait for me to get to you. It's so calm.
Pretty cool, huh? We only got 4 or 5 more miles.
Oh, sweet.
Got it, man.
Easy.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah. I beat him, no problem.
You're the turtle. I'm the turtle.
Slow and steady wins the race or something? What do you guys have for wildlife both like in and out of the water here?
Yeah, so what pretty common to see out here is obviously the great blue heron that we just saw a second ago. We'll see green herons, egrets. We had a couple bald eagles fly over our head about 3 weeks ago, so there's
cool.
potential for that. Hawks, osprey. In the water you have white drum, bass, smallmouth and largemouth, walleye, carp, gar, just a wide variety. Tennessee is very, very biodiverse.
Is this area pretty well known for like fishing?
Absolutely well known for fishing, yes. Lots of people come out here and fish. There's one guy named Paul who comes out here just about every other day on his pontoon, and
really?
he's pulling out 30 and 40 pound catfish and white drum.
Wow,
so, yeah,
that's very cool.
it's very neat.
Right around the corner here, I can really hear it, and I just see it peeking through. It's massive. Probably like a 30-45 minute paddle. It's so beautiful here. I just want to stare at it. My hat is blowing off. get here. You get here in like 2 minutes. All right, lunch is served, huh?
You can hike all the way up to that point right there. You see there's somebody there right now.
Yeah.
That's the overlook. It looks pretty cool from there, but it doesn't look like this.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
no.
Y'all got the best look.
Yeah.
So.
Way different from down here.
And you can actually take a little trail that goes down, and you can get on top of the waterfall there as well.
Yeah.
So kind of a cool angle from there, but nothing like out there on your kayak.
Oh
right
yeah,
under it.
being underneath it is insane.
Spectacular. All right, guys, anybody curious what this is? It's actually the foundation of the old powerhouse that used to generate electricity for the city of Cookeville. So remember when we were pulling in, I said this is Burgess Falls Lake where there's a Lowhead Dam there?
Yeah.
So there's a big flume, basically a big pipe that ran from that dam all the way down here to the bottom and generated the electricity by turning these huge turbines. You see the old pieces left over? Well, not too small, huge pieces. And got some gears in here, cool little pieces that were used from roughly 1920s to 1940. And then TVA built the dam and started, and this kind of was no longer necessary. But
All right, I'll be gentle. Let's see if he stays. You think
he's staying.
can you see it?
Yeah, it's still on there.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, we're taking him downriver.
Kind of get an idea. I'm going to chill you straight back.
Okay.
You got a pretty good lean as you turn your boat.
Okay, we'll do. Thank you, sir.
Launching.
Now we have it all to ourselves. Everybody else left us. We should go join the group. Woo! Today's adventure is almost over. Totally different one than we typically do, but this was amazing out here in Tennessee as we're out here for the CMA Fest this weekend. Coming out to see some friends here in central Tennessee, and they were like, let's go kayaking to this amazing, beautiful waterfall. And I intentionally did not look into it too much because I wanted to be wowed and surprised by it, and it did not disappoint. I hope you guys also enjoyed coming along on today's adventure. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. It really does help us out. And I will leave a link to this tour company down in the description below. If you guys are ever in Tennessee, come and check them out. They were amazing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel because I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot more adventures just like this one coming up all summer. So we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.